Hey everyone, check out the Funn Zippa Lite bash guard designed for mountain bike enthusiasts with 34 to 36 tooth chainrings. This guard fits perfectly on frames with the ISCG 05 mounting standard, providing reliable protection. Crafted from 7075 Aerospace alloy and finished with CNC precision, it offers both strength and durability. It integrates seamlessly with the Zippa Lite chain guard, helping to prevent damage to your chainring and frame. Plus, it includes an extra thermoplastic polymer bumper for added security and easy replacement. Whether you're hitting rocky trails or technical descents, this bash guard keeps your ride smooth and worry-free. Upgrade your bike's protection with this high-quality, lightweight solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.